Hello, amazing pupils. So let's quickly look at place value of decimals, okay? In the previous video, we saw the place value charts and we saw that numbers before the decimal point are called whole numbers and numbers immediately after my decimal points are called fractional parts. We want to look at the value of these decimals that we have here. Now, let's start with the whole number. For our whole number, the value of this 5 is units. The value of the 6 is tenths. The value of 3 is hundredth. Now, let's now look at the values of the decimal fraction or the fractional parts. Now, for our decimal value, we don't start with units, we start with tenths. Now, you might want to ask, why are we starting with tenths? Why tenths? It's simply because this 2 is written as 2 out of 10. And remember that we are doing what? The fractional parts. And 2 out of 10 is 1 over 5. Because 2 into itself is 1, 2 into 10 is 5. And that gives us 1 over 5. So we start with what? Tenths. Next, we go to the next digit, which is 3. 3, the value of this 3 is hundredths. And it simply means 3 out of 100. Remember, it is fractional parts. That's why we are having fractions. The next digit is 7. And that is what? Thousands. It means it is 7 over 1,000. Or we call it 7 thousandths. The next decimal value is 8. And it is 10 of thousandths. Tenths of thousands. It is 8 all over 10 thousandths. We go to the next decimal value, 9, and it is hundredths of thousands. Hundredths of thousands, which is what? 9 over 100,000, which is 9 out of 100,000. Finally, the next digit is what? Millions. The millions. The millions. And it is written as 6 out of 1 million. 6 out of 1 million. So do you see it, children? So when placing the value of your decimal digits, we start from the first digit after the decimal point. And the first digit is 2. And the value is tenths, which is 2 over 10. But for our whole numbers, we start from the digits by before the decimal points, and that is what 5. So for whole numbers, we start writing our values from left to right. We write from left to right. Okay, we start from the units, then we'll go to the left. Sorry about that. We go from right to left. But for the decimal place value, which is the fractional part, we start from the left down to the right. Start from the left, down to the right. Okay, so after you're done with 2, you go to the next digit, and that's what? 3. And the value is what? Hundreds. The next is thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and finally millions. Finally what? Millions. Okay. I hope you enjoyed